It's a love letter in 1966, October 16th, 1966, and I would say that it was probably in a dresser or something because it was just a really sweet letter. I don't want to go into it, but I cried when I read it.
That handwritten note was actually from Glenda Whitehead's husband, Bob, the couple who lived a few blocks away from where that letter was found, died in the storm. Lynn English found the note and wants to make sure it gets back to the Whitehead family. Governor Rick Perry, by the way, toured the damage today. He says it will take months, perhaps years, to clean up the mess.
Sad scene there. Time now to check out our forecast here, and nothing but nice. Alyssa?
Certainly looking then at great conditions as we head throughout the weekend for firefighters, and that's good news. We will be watching though for some gusty winds, and that could pose a problem. But right now things are fine. We are still watching the Castaic fire. Kristen Price, our own reporter, heading down south, and she of course picked up some pictures along the way. Southbound on the 5, it is down to 1 lane by the time you reach Castaic. She said that traffic is moving slowly. It's not at a standstill, fortunately, but it is a little bit slower, obviously, than usual with that 1 lane. And we have 250 acres there. Meanwhile, our own firefighters looking at a fire here out by Houghton Boulevard. We'll have much more on that coming up here at 6. Let's take a look at temperatures. 80 degrees currently with a few passing clouds. Our dew point then at 40, humidity at 24%, and winds at 15 miles per hour. And we have seen some gusts up to 20 here in the valley, around 20 to 25 out in the mountains. However, that's not as bad as it could be. We could look for gustier winds out there. So because the dew points are up, that's helping with the humidity levels, and the firefighters are doing well with that. It's helping to contain that fire a little bit. If it was drier, it'd be spreading faster, and if it was windier, it would be as well. Now, the winds as we head into tomorrow are going to continue out of the north and west. An onshore push here behind our storm system that's working through Arizona as well as into Utah. Rain right now into portions then of eastern Nevada, and we're also looking then at a big swath of rain all the way up into Idaho and Montana. In fact, we also are looking at a couple of severe thunderstorm watch boxes up here. And as we head into tomorrow, we'll watch then as unsettled weather will work eastward. We'll continue to be dry through the weekend, and temperature-wise, still fairly mild into our Saturday. Today, it was a hot one in Dallas at 90, 85 in Albuquerque, and then looking at the good chunk of the midsection of the country receiving the hot air, and then as we look along the southern tier, also 86 in Raleigh and Florida coming into the 80s. Tomorrow, the heat bubbling up here ahead of all that rain that'll keep us a little bit cooler from Montana over into Idaho and Utah. And then as we make our way here into California, temperatures around 72 in LA tomorrow and 82 in Sacramento. So let's take you traveling here, and it is of course heading into a weekend. And if you're going south tomorrow, looking for mostly cloudy skies in LA, lower 70s. San Diego 67 with morning drizzle, and then mostly sunny skies in the afternoon. Catalina around 70. We'll be at 68 in Santa Maria, 68 in Pismo with fog and then partly sunny skies. Temperatures tomorrow will still be fairly pleasant here as we make our way into Bakersfield, 79 degrees, 80 then in Fresno, 81 in Porterville. And northward, looking then at 84 in Sacramento, 70 in San Francisco, and 75 in San Jose with mostly cloudy skies. So the onshore push of air will keep us pleasant through the weekend. We'll be a little warmer on Sunday, but still not bad at all, 82 degrees. And then into Monday, temperatures into the lower 90s. Same for Tuesday and Wednesday here. So we will heat up briefly as the high builds on in early next week, but then another system bringing temperatures down into the lower 80s Thursday and Friday, with overnight lows in the 50s and 60s. In the mountain forecast, 67 on Saturday and breezy. Again, watching for the winds to pick up a little bit out of the north and west tomorrow in the mountains. So that could pose a problem for firefighters. 71 then Sunday, 80 on Monday, back into the 60s Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday with overnight lows in the 40s. So you sense the roller coaster ride of temperatures. We're going to be cool through the weekend, but a little bit hotter Monday, Tuesday, and then into Wednesday and Thursday, starting to go back down into the 70s and overnight lows in the 50s. In the Kern River Valley. Oh, what a gorgeous shot there, the wildflowers.
Nice.
Jay showing us Wind Wolves
beautiful.
Preserve, and that is beautiful. Do you think those are lilacs? I'm not quite sure.
Lupin, I think.
Yeah,
Resident
flower
wildflowers.
expert.
Local wildflower.
Sure. Snapshots at
Pretty sure.
kget.com, and there is the address on your screen. They were supposed to have the Lilac Festival in Pine Mountain Club this weekend with the fire. I don't know if that's still going to happen or not, but
Yeah.
Hopefully somebody can give us a call and maybe give us
yeah.
an update.
So if you're in Pine Mountain Club, let us know.
All right.
All right, thanks.
Very good. Closing numbers.